Today we are at 2731 Sanibel Lane. This is in Gulf Breeze in the Sandpiper subdivision. We're standing in the foyer looking into the dining area. If we continue straight, we'll head into the family room. We do have nice vaulted ceilings in here, big French doors to the backyard. Over here we have our breakfast nook. We do have a nice bay window. We do have carpeting throughout the house, other than the kitchen and the bathrooms. And here's that dining room again. You can see through there is our foyer. Turning back towards the bay area, we'll go into the kitchen. So here is our kitchen. We do have a nice window overlooking the sink, nice stainless steel refrigerator. Heading back out, here is another view of our living area. And it also does have access to the backyard. Very nice big backyard. It's actually divided into two areas, but we'll get to that in a little. So now we're gonna head down towards the bedrooms and bathrooms. We do have two storage closets right here. Here's the first one. And that's our door to our garage. And then we have our second storage closet. Here's the first of the bedrooms. Again, carpeting throughout the bedrooms. So this bedroom is in the front part of the house. It looks out towards the street. Perfect for an office or a kid's bedroom. Heading down the hallway, we'll go to the second of the bedrooms. So now we are facing the south side. And then on the other side of the hallway here, we have our first bathroom. So you can see we have a nice shower tub combo, nice pedestal sink. Now if we continue down this hallway here, we'll come to the master suite. So here's our master. So we have one closet and one bathroom door. So here is our master suite closet. Very nice big walk-in closet, perfect for all of your items. Now we'll go to the bathroom. We do have a shower tub combo in this bathroom as well. Nice cabinetry for some extra storage space. And then behind it is our stand-up shower. So here's another view of the master suite. So here you can see that we look into the backyard, and we'll also show you the garage. So we're gonna continue down the hallway. There's our storage closet, and here's our garage door. Nice single car garage with some extra storage space on the side there. Now heading back towards the backyard, we're gonna go down the hallway, back through the living area. So we're now entering into the backyard. It is all fenced in. So here's our first portion. And we have it divided here, so two separate spaces really. And then we have a nice patio area. Now walking over here is a nice big grass patch, perfect for your dogs or kids to play with. We have a nice little gate here. And then there is the rest of the yard. We also have a side entrance there. Heading back inside. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house offered by Barron's Property Managers. Address is 2731 Sanibel Lane. You can view it on our website at barronspm.com. You can also call us at 850-934-2588.